Ah, rubber ducky saves the day. There you go. Problem solved. Okay, goodbye.
Whew, Ruff stopped the leak. It didn't work.
The water's headed for the comic books. To make the water flow in a different direction, we have to put something in its way.
Oh, how about this bookend?
And the stapler. Let's try it. And hurry! The comic books are depending on us.
It's working! We saved them!
Uh-oh. Another leak. Can you help us?
Team Hamster!
Teamwork! Remember to use all the water to solve the problem. Cool idea! Creative problem solving! Whoa! There's another funnel! Try to move the water into both funnels. I'll help with this leak. Can you solve the other one?
I like how you found a way to solve it without using the dotted lines. Awesome! We moved the water!
Let's try this one. Almost there. Don't forget about the other leak.
Try matching a tool to the dotted lines.